Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Today I have recipe number 2 in my 4-part series for cream pies. This luscious double chocolate cream pie is gonna knock some socks off. Believe me, I've been barefoot for days. Not only are these little mini pies outrageously good, but they are no bake, no nuts, and no mixers required. I am not lying when I tell you they can be ready in just about an hour. All you need is your favorite chocolate sandwich cookies for the crust and some melted vegan butter. Just get that all into a food processor and grind it up until it's the consistency of wet sand. As I mentioned, I am making mini pies, so I am using these little individual tart molds, but of course if you don't have these, you can make this whole recipe into one larger 9-inch family style pie instead. All of the written printable recipe instructions are on my blog with this same step-by-step video tutorial at gretchensveganbakery.com. Clickable links are below this video in the box. And hey, while you are there, be sure to check out the first cream pie that I made last week, the white chocolate berry cream pie. That was another epic win. But okay, let's concentrate on this chocolate cream pie today. And I'm just pressing the crust mixture into these ungreased tart molds. These molds do have removable bottoms, so they are super easy to take out, and I'll show you that part later. Now, I do refrigerate the crusts while I prepare the custard fillings, but if you like a crispier crust, you can definitely bake them for about 15 minutes first. So for the super easy chocolate custard, you will need plant milk, and I'm using soy milk, but any plant milk that you like the best will do. I have a mixture of sugar, cornstarch, and cocoa powder. We also need some semi-sweet vegan chocolate. There's the double chocolate of this recipe. Vegan butter and some vanilla extract too. Now go ahead and get that plant milk to the stove over a medium to high heat and whisk together the sugar, cornstarch, and cocoa powder. Then just add that right in. You're going to bring this up to a boil, stirring constantly to avoid scorching the bottom. And once it does start to boil, remove it from the heat. Now at this point you can see that I didn't even add that other chocolate yet, and it's already a chocolate custard just from the cocoa powder. So you can definitely do without the added chocolate if you don't have it or you just don't want to buy it. But, well, I like super duper chocolate everything, and just check out what happens when I add the chocolate. Yeah, super duper chocolate. So I do mention on the written blog post how to adjust this recipe. If you don't have the chocolate, you can use all cocoa powder. Okay, add the vanilla extract last. You can see that I added in the vegan butter. I'm whisking everything until it is melted and smooth. And now you're going to just grab those tart shells and pour the hot custard right inside. This custard is going to set really quickly in the refrigerator, honestly less than an hour until they are cold, and you're almost ready to eat these. In my last video for the white chocolate berry tarts, I used these same tart molds, but I forgot to show you guys how to unmold them. And I want to just give you a close-up this time and show you how really easy they are to work with. If you want to grab a set of these, the links are below this video. But all you're going to do is loosen the bottoms from the tart mold and then run a spatula between the crust and that removable bottom. Slide it onto a serving plate. Add a little bit of coconut whipped cream, okay, or a lot, and some shaved chocolate. And there you have a super fancy dessert worthy of a 5-star restaurant. You guys, vegan baking has never been easier, so stick with me. Head over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab the recipes, all of them with step-by-step video tutorials for no-fail results every time. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button and comment below. Every little bit helps this channel to stay relevant, so I do appreciate all the interactions so much. If you are not yet subscribed, I hope you will. I'm gaining about 1,000 new subs a month, so that's been really exciting to see so many people enjoying my videos. It is, after all, the reason I keep going. And speaking of keeping going, a great big thank you, as always, to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal. Your support monthly is honestly the real reason I've been able to keep this channel and my blog with all the free recipes alive. If you think you can help support to pay for the ingredients, the internet hosting fees monthly, and just everything that goes into creating free content here on YouTube, for as little as $1 a month, you too can join my awesome group of patrons. All the links for everything are below the video in the box, and I do appreciate your consideration. Alright everybody, that's it for me today. Thanks again, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.